meatball roll-up. Yes. Y'all remember that pizza roll-up video I made that literally changed my life? No, like literally. Not only because it tasted delicious, but because the video went viral. And let's just say my life hasn't been the same and I got a lot more friends and I love it. Instead of making a pizza roll-up, we're gonna make a meatball roll-up. It's gonna be equally as delicious, I promise you. And in case you don't know, I've lost over 220 pounds. I don't like to feel like I'm on a diet. I wanna eat yummy, tasty things. It's how I stay on track. So let me show you how you do this. Okay, these are the lavash breads I use. Get these at Walmart. This is my food. I'm good with it. And I use about a 1/4 cup of the Rayo's marinara. I only have the 4 cheese right now. So that's what we're gonna use. I like mine real saucy. So if you don't want it that saucy, you can definitely get away with 2 tablespoons of the sauce. Little cheese flavored sawdust. I'm about out. I just bought a new bottle, but I don't want to open it. 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese. I already weighed mine out. I'm gonna add 1/2 serving of turkey peps to mine. I use the Hormel ones. Home style turkey meatballs. I'm gonna use 3 of those. I just chopped them up in half. Just put them on there. This thing's gonna get rolled. Rolling with the homies. Let's go. She's rolled tight, baby. Spray her with some non-stick cooking spray. Now she's going to the air fryer. Y'all, she's a beaut. Look at that thing. Ugh. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. She's gorgina. Y'all know this would not be complete without a taste test with a ranch, okay? It's gotta happen. It happened before, it's gotta happen now. Just a little bit, because I go a little crazy on the ranch. And we're already pressing it with these calories. Cheers. Woo! Oh my gosh. I outdid myself on this one. Y'all better go make that.